Today we are starting the video lecture on PHP data types. Previously, in the previous video, we have learned about the variable in PHP and how to use it. Okay, but how many kinds of data types we did not learn in the previous video. So today, in this video, we will discuss about that data types. Okay, and also we'll see in practically that how will it is used. Okay. So, data types in PHP. These are the data types in PHP, like string, integer, float, boolean, array, object, and null. Okay. In this video, basically we will see that about these kind of data types like string, integer, float, boolean, array, and null. Okay. Object we will see in later chapter. So, what is a string actually? A string is a sequence of characters. Like if we create a variable with $sign, that $name equal to, and then my name is Abhishek Kumar, then it is a string value. So we are string value just saving in the $name variable. Okay, and how can we print it? Echo $name. An integer data type. An integer must have at least one digit. An integer must not have a decimal point. Okay. An integer can be either positive or negative. So how can we define the integer? Like this. $num means num is a variable equal to value is 50. Echo will num. Then it will print. It will give us the output 50. We will see practically later. Okay, in the same video. We are just giving you the definition that what is integer and all. Float. Float is a number with a decimal point. So in the integer section we have discussed that integer is only can be a digit without decimal, but with the decimal integer can become a float. Okay. So if we want to set any price for any kind of product, then the variable would be $price equal to 32.343 or anything else. Okay, echo price. How will print it? Echo price. Booleans are often used in conditional testing. Means if the condition is true or false, we will use in that case. Null. Null data types. What is the null data types basically? Null means no value. It means nothing. We are just spacing a blank space in the memory. We are just saving the blank space in the memory. Null is not 0, false, or any other value. It is null. Means null cannot be 0. Null cannot be minus, plus, any kind of negative, positive value, or it doesn't sense any value. It is just a null. Null is case insensitive. All null and null. Okay. Either you are writing in capital letter or a small letter, and null are equal. Okay. So how we declare the null variable? $x equal to null. The variable name can be anything, but the value will be null. The small or capital letter doesn't matter. Well, let's see the practical. So here I have just opened the Notepad++, and my project directory is jamp stdocs. In the C drive, jamp stdocs my PHP. The folder name is my PHP. Okay, here we can create a new file. So in new file, what we'll just create a skeleton of HTML. It is not important, but for the practice we can use it. HTML. Okay, then just create the right after body, opening, and body closing. Okay, After creating the body opening and body closing, just save it in the same project folder, my PHP. Okay, with the name, just give it a name, any kind of name, data type dot php extension. We are creating a PHP file, so we will give the PHP extension. Okay, and save it now. So we have saved the data type .php file. Okay, so here we will see what are data types and how do we use and how can we know that this value belongs to the which data type, this variable belongs to the which data type. Okay, so just open PHP tag and close PHP tag. All PHP codes we will write between the opening and closing PHP tags. Okay, so first we will see string. So string. Okay, just give a variable name, $name. This is the naming convention. Dollar would be the prefix, equal to double quote or single quote. Write a string, hello there. Okay, now what we did, we have created a variable, means allocated a memory space in the project, and hello there, the value, string value is hello there. Okay, now how will we print? Echo $name. Okay, now see the result. So for the result, what we'll do, we will start first jam server. Jam, we just open the jam. Start. Okay, and what we'll do the next, open a browser, Chrome. Sorry, Chrome is opening now. Okay, so how we access the project file, that is localhost, after that /, what is the project folder name is my PHP. Okay, and what is the file name is what we have created right now, that is data type.php. Okay, so we will type here data type.php. so here what we are we have that hello there. Hello there means how does it come, because we have just created the hello there and saved in the name variable, and we now print it, echo $name. Okay, so finally we got the result that hello there. Now in the PHP, as we know that we do not have to declare strictly declare the data type, that we do not write, like if we are saving a string, we do not have to write any string or integer or anything. Okay, PHP automatically detect that what kind of variable we are just saving. So how do we know that what kind of variable it is? means what kind of value we are putting in the variable. There is a pre-built function, that is var underscore dump, and in this we just put the variable and just save it. Now we will see that which kind of data type it is in the browser. Just go to the browser, yeah, and yes, yeah, we need to give a br tag. And in PHP, if we are writing any HTML with a variable name, we just concatenate it like this. Since br is also a string, it treats a string like so, we will do double quotes or single quotes, anything. Okay, now it's taking br tag also. That will come in new line, the var dump. Now here string 11, hello there. Okay, 11 means the 11 characters. 1 2 3 4 5, space is also it will count. Okay, 6 7 8 9 10 11. So from the H till E, it is 11 character of string. Okay, same as we will see the integer type of data type. Okay, just create a variable like num equal to, give it any value like 50. Okay, the integer value not be quoted like double quotes or single quote. If we quote it, it will just treat like a string. Okay, it will just be treated like a string. So we are just giving the integer value right now. So echo, just copy and paste all this. Okay, and here what we have to do, change the variable name. What we have writing first, num. This also would be num, because we are looking for the num variable here. Go to the Chrome browser and refresh it. Now we do have to put a br tag also here also. So give it a break, br, save it. Okay, now like this. Sorry, what mistake I am doing? Oh, I'm sorry, because this is not an echo statement, this is a function, so we do not use the br tag here. But if we want some break, means new line, what we will do, just echo it, echo, and save it, save the file. Now it will take a br tag. Okay, here if we are giving it double br, it will create a new blank extra space now. Okay, so the integer value is 50, and which kind of it is, that is integer type. How do we know? We just know that var underscore dump is a pre-built function in PHP, so that we are able to know that what kind of variable it is. Okay, same as just copy and paste here. Yeah, give a float, okay, float, float num. I have just given the name of variable is float num equal to, you can write it anything, no, float. So with the decimal point, the integer with the decimal point, like if we write 50 dot 20 decimal, okay. So what will we do now? Just copy and paste same syntax, and then this variable, okay. Let's see the result. Yeah, there 50.2. What is the value? It is printing 50.2, that is float. And what kind of data type it is? Float, float, okay. Same as we will see the next will be see array kind of data type, okay. So how do we write it? Just firstly copy and paste this, okay. Give it a name, $apple equal to array parenthesis, and after that give some value like apple, sorry, fruit, apple, banana, mango. So here we have created the array variable, okay. The variable name is fruit, and what kind of variable it is? Array type. So what is the difference between these variables and array variables? These are normal variables actually. Here we can store just one value in the one variable, okay. But in the array, this is a special kind of variable also. In the array, just I have created a variable name fruit, and we have stored apple, banana, mango, three kind of values, three values in the same variable, okay. We can also create as many as possible values in the same variable, okay. And how do we access it? Just echo variable name right now. If we want to print this banana, then the index number is actually index number starts from 0, so it will count like 0, 1, 2, okay. So the index number of banana is 1, so we will write here 1, okay. And also give a single dir tag here, and var dump, so that we will able to know that which kind of data type it is. Fruit controllers, okay. Now refresh it. So we have got the value banana because it is at index number 1, and we have just accessed the one number of index, means we wanted to print that banana, okay. If we want to print mango, then we write index number 0, 1, 2. So at the second number of index mango is available. Now we will print refresh mango. Okay, if we want to print all the data, then what will we do? Just copy and paste fruit 0, 1 and 2 and give a br tag also, so that it will come in new line br. Okay, paste it, save it, refresh it. Okay, apple, banana and mango, the three values already got printed. If you want to give a one more value like pineapple, okay, now save it. Now it is a 0, 1, 2, 3, fourth number of index. 0, 1, 2, 3, third number of index it is. Okay, so we also want to print that. Go and refresh the browser. Pineapple also come here. Okay, and which kind of data type it is? It is array kind of data type. Here also we are looking at four values means 0 at the 0th position it is apple, at the one of a number of index it is banana, at the second number of index it is mango, at the third number of index it is pineapple. Okay, later after some videos we will also know about the array in more detail. Okay, the types of array, what kind of arrays are, and how to do more things with array. Okay, but in this chapter the main purpose was that to make you understand that what kind of data types in PHP. Okay, now we have the object and null. Object we will see in later chapter when we will learn about functions and all. Okay, null value we have cleared also that this is the this is like no value, it will not take any digit, it just create a blank space in memory. Okay, so how do we put it? Give a variable means where null, I just v null, we just give a name. You can also give another name, just write here